How to add sounds to Discord soundboard on mobile. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So using a soundboard option is only available in the Discord web version. So simply go to your Chrome browser and then simply search for Discord. Make sure to use the desktop site by clicking on the desktop side by going to the three dot line on your top right corner. After the Discord is opened in your desktop site, what you will have to do is simply go to one of your server and then go to your server settings. Simply drag down the server and then go to server settings. After that, you will see an option of soundboard in this menu bar. Now go to upload sound and simply select the sound from this browse option using your media picker and then upload it. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.